5 minus 5 times 3 minus 3. 5 minus 5, this is going to give us 0, times 3 minus 3, this is going to give us 0. 0 multiplied by 0, this is equals to 0. But this answer is very wrong, because according to the order of operation, board mass, this B stands for bracket, O stands for off, D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. And don't forget, we are solving using this rule from left to right. Okay, in this question we have 2 subtraction and 1 multiplication, so we are going to follow the rules from left to right. So now multiplication have higher priority than subtraction, so we have to do multiplication first, which is this. So we have 5 minus 3 times 5, this is going to give us 15 minus 3. Now we have 2 subtractions, so we just follow the rules from left to right. 5 minus 15, this is going to give us minus 10. Then minus 10 minus 3. Minus 10 minus 3 is going to give us minus 13. And this is the final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell for more videos.